What's up, everybody? Brent Senna here with Redfin again, coming to you from Talon Point in Thornton. This is the second home I took a video of. Some really great homes out this way. This one, 5-bed, 3-bath, just under, I believe, $875-ish. 3-car garage, and it's got a little office as well too. It's a bit windy out here. Of course, it's been so nice. It's early January, and of course I picked the day where it's like 70-mile-an-hour wind. So take a quick peek out here. You can see everything's new. They've got some really nice designs in these as well too, so let's head on in. And I really like this color too. I think the garage is maybe black, and then it's like a I'm terrible with colors, but like a green, like a light greenish, and then kind of a whitish gray, like brick, but it looks really nice. Anywho, let's head on in. This one's essentially move-in ready as well. Great financing from the builder, tons of incentives, lower interest rates. But here's that first office right on the corner. Lots of light coming in there. Got a coat closet here. Let's see, what should we do? Now I'm already in here. So kitchen, one of the other videos I shot had some higher ceilings. These are still pretty high, but not as tall as that other one. There is a second story and a basement here, but fireplace, floor to ceiling tile there. It's got this great back patio covered. And again, as I mentioned in the other video, with new construction, you're not going to get a ton of yard space, but it's actually pretty big, to be honest. And then you got views out, that's to the west. I'll zoom in here if you can see the mountains. So for now, pretty decent views there. And kitchen, you've got this island, looks like quartz countertops, oven, microwave, the larger sink, gas, great tile backsplash. Got the pantry back here, and then this little nook here, maybe put some coffee or whatever you want there. What should we do? Let's go basement, and then again, this is just under, I think, 2,900 square feet, unfinished basement, but pretty decent size down here as well. I've got the larger window wells, so if you wanted to make a bedroom out here, be oh, this I think is a crawl space under there. Tankless water heater, so just non-stop hot water if you got a larger family. Plumbed if you wanted to put a bathroom there. Radon, sump pump, the whole 9 yards there. So that's the basement. Oops. And let's head to the garage area. You've got a seating room with kind of some room for shoes, a larger coat closet there. And then some of these properties over here have, so like this one has a 3-car, so it's 3-car. There's also some that have the tandem that makes it a 4-car. Now this one does have some additional space right there, so that's pretty nice. And it's got the door right there to the backyard, so you could put all your, lawnmower and all your stuff there, so that way you can just head out. It's got the sprinkler system as well, and single bathroom here, tub, and a bedroom here, pretty decent size. Okay, let's head upstairs. See, where should we go? Let's go this way. Got a dual sink here with the full tub. Closet, linen, another bedroom. And this closet, look, I really like this. A lot of builders have been putting the window in, so that way you can get a lot of light in your closet when you're checking for your fancy outfit for the night. Got another bedroom here, decent size. Closet. Another bedroom here. And again, this is Talon Point up in Thornton, about 153rd and in between Quebec and Holly. They've got some move-in ready stuff. They've got some ground from the ground up. Those are about 8 months out, she said. Laundry here. So they've got kind of everything. If you are needing something ASAP and just want to come in, a lot of the builders these days are just picking the finishes. They do have some design centers, but they're just kind of picking their finishes for the most part. If you do a ground up from the dirt, you might be able to make a few more selections. So large primary bedroom. Again, it's got the kind of coffered ceiling or whatever those are called there. And then check this out. Look at this primary bath. Ooh. Stand-in shower. Got your dual sinks, the big soaking tub, and there's a ton of light in here. I imagine this is the toilet. Yep. Perfect. So that's a wrap on this one again. Feel free to give me a buzz. There's a ton of new construction out there, move-in ready. They are begging for you to get out there. They've got lower interest rates, dealer incentives, and we're all over Brighton, Commerce City, Thornton. Arvada has some new construction. Denver, Aurora, did I say Aurora? So yeah, just let me know, and I'll get you a list of wherever you're looking, new or used, and we'll get you in a home. Appreciate it. Thanks.